Today we're talking about the subject of master data management. My name is Ajit. I'm a principal consultant at FTS Data and AI.
And I'm James Ferris, the practice director.
All right, James. So to discuss the subject of master data management and how it's still relevant, I guess in today's day and age where there's just so much data floating around, especially when we're working with big data and artificial intelligence, there's just volumes of data to work with. How do you see all of that coming together, and how do you see MDM playing a part in that?
So MDM is never one of the most, and MDM, master data management, is never one of the most glamorous pieces of the big data puzzle. But there is that problem that you've got, that all these different sources have different references, different ways of talking about data. At a very simple level, what is a customer, who is a customer, and actually being able to identify that across different sources is a big challenge. And in the context of something like AI, if you've got a chatbot that's there integrating with your systems and trying to talk to a customer when they're engaging with you, if you don't know everything about that customer because you can't identify them properly, you're going to hit a dead end fairly quickly.
Yep. So how would you recommend customers go about choosing their MDM strategies? Before they even go down a path of choosing a tool set, what's the strategy that you'd want to put forward for them?
A lot of this comes down to what points of data are really important, because you can spend your life cleaning up every last piece, but only some of it's going to be valuable. And some pieces are more valuable than others. And a lot of it's just deciding what is valuable, who it's valuable to, and then getting that person who it's valuable to take ownership and responsibility for ensuring that they can get that value out of that data.
Yep, perfect. And from a tool sets perspective, do you have any recommendations at all?
There's so many. It's one of those things. There's very, very basic stuff, like the stuff you get in SQL Server, which is very entry point but serves a certain purpose, all the way up to IBM's gargantuan master data platforms, and obviously there's a price tag to match as you scale. So it's very much about picking the tool that's fit for purpose.
Yep. Excellent. Thanks, James. I think that's given us a really good insight as to what MDM is and how it's still very much relevant. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.
Thank you, Jim. Thank you all.